The OEM business is a very difficult one to be in. With the state of the industry today, it's very much a cash flow management activity, because of course you want to spend all your money on attracting and developing new clients, but you want to protect your reputation and make sure the clients that you have are happy. And when there's not a lot of objective data to base that on, and it's really, hey, if they're underperforming and they're blaming you, it's at your cost to defend your reputation, and you need to do everything you can, especially if you're hoping to get more business from them or from other people in their industry that they may be impacting by saying, hey, these guys didn't really work out for me. Again, we want to focus on taking what is a very subjective, very reputation-based process and methodology for evaluating who to work with, and turn it into objective measures that can be used to dictate the agreements between these organizations so that their interests become aligned. So that when that machine isn't performing in the facility, everybody has a financial motivation to work together to increase its output and to get it performing to the specifications that it was sold under.